If you're in the market for a used car, reliability is key. No one wants to spend thousands on a vehicle just to watch repair bills pile up or suffer from constant breakdowns. Luckily, a new analysis from iSeeCars.com has identified the most reliable used cars that offer the best value. Vehicles that combine affordable pricing with long-lasting durability. Now, this study analyzed over 700,000 used car sales and odometer readings from 368 million vehicles. It's a good source, right? Helping us pinpoint which models are worth your hard-earned money. Today, we're going to break down the top 5-year-old used cars, SUVs, and hybrids that provide the most remaining lifespan per dollar spent, and which ones might be a waste of money. Here are the top 5-year-old used cars that provide the best value for the longest remaining lifespan. Number 1, Honda Fit, $18,000. Lifespan remaining, 11.6 years. It's a subcompact that refuses to die. The Honda Fit tops a list with the exceptional reliability it has, strong fuel efficiency, and surprising cargo space. If you're looking for an affordable car that will last a decade or more, this is it. The next 5-year-old used car is the Volkswagen Passat, $17,636. 9.6 years remaining. The Passat offers a roomy interior, solid build quality, and a comfortable ride. However, be aware that Volkswagen's reliability record isn't spotless as Honda's and Toyota's. Next, the Buick Encore, 16.6, 8.8 years remaining on that one after 5 years. This small luxury crossover provides a quiet, smooth ride with decent tech features, but watch out for transmission issues that some owners have reported. You got the Kia Rio 5-door, 14 grand there with 6.9 years remaining. A budget-friendly hatchback with good fuel economy and a simple, reliable engine, though interior quality and performance are basic at best. You have the Honda Civic, $20,157 and 9.8 years remaining. The Civic continues to be a gold standard for reliability, offering efficient performance, a comfortable ride, and great resale value. Now the best 5-year-old used SUVs for the money, as these vehicles dominate the American car market, but which ones will last without breaking the bank? Here is what the data suggests. The Buick Encore, $16,633, 8.8 years remaining. A luxury light SUV at an affordable price, but be cautious of long-term maintenance costs. Then you have the Outlander Sport from Mitsubishi, 15.8 with 7.5 years remaining. Affordable and compact, but Mitsubishi's resale value and brand reputation aren't the greatest. The Honda CR-V, talk about a reputation, 24.5 with 10.8 years remaining on that. One of the most reliable compact SUVs ever made. If you find a well-maintained CR-V, buy it and keep it. Then you have the Toyota RAV4, 24.8 with 10.3 years remaining. Toyota's most popular SUV, known for low ownership costs and bulletproof reliability even today. The Jeep Compass, 18,300, 7.5 years remaining. This is a wild card. Some owners love it, but others complain about poor build quality and transmission issues. The best 5-year-old used hybrids for your money. Hybrids obviously save on gas, but battery life and long-term maintenance costs can be concerns. Here are the best picks. Number 1, the Prius from Toyota, $22,000 with 9 years remaining. Still the king of hybrid reliability. If you need a fuel-efficient car that will last forever, saying that loosely, the Prius is your best bet. Then you have the Toyota Camry Hybrid. I love this one. 23.3 with 9.4 years remaining. All the reliability of a regular Camry, but with hybrid fuel savings. The Avalon Hybrid, another smooth driving car, 28,009, 10.8 years remaining. The luxury hybrid sedan with solid fuel economy and Toyota reliability. Just expect higher repair costs down the road, but it is good to drive. The Ford Fusion Hybrid, 17.8 with 5.3 years remaining. A decent option if you're on a budget, but battery replacement costs could make it a risky buy. With used car prices still at record highs, finding a reliable used one that won't drain your wallet is more important than ever. This iSeeCars.com study, which I'll provide a link below, shows that some used cars still offer fantastic value, especially models from Honda, Toyota, and a few solid options from Volkswagen and Buick. However, don't assume that every used vehicle is a good deal. Make sure to check maintenance history and records and mileage, any potential recalls before ever buying. If you want to make sure that you're getting an absolute best deal when it comes to price on a used vehicle, whether it's Honda, Toyota, or something else, just go to quotes quotes.everymandriver.com. It works for new cars too, trucks and SUVs. Quotes.everymandriver.com. This free search engine allows you to access real-time dealer pricing on both new and used vehicles, potentially saving you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Thousands of people use this every day, so see how much you can save by visiting quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a direct link below this video. Looking for a great at-home sauna at a great price? Get 5% off any indoor or outdoor sauna, cold plunge, or infrared sauna from Almost Heaven with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at checkout. For over 40 years, Almost Heaven Saunas have been trusted as the top American home sauna manufacturer. Almost Heaven Saunas deliver high-quality products and firmly stands behind the holistic benefits the sauna brings to your mind and your body. Again, get 5% off any order with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at almostheaven.com. There's also a direct link below this video. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Today's video is brought to you in part by Ironman Darts. If you're looking to pick up a new and fun hobby that you can play at home or at the local pub, check out the Ironman Darts YouTube channel for simple and easy practice routines, lessons on how to throw darts, darts games for beginners, and real matches versus real people with both steel tip and soft tip darts. Click the link below and watch for free. And there it is.